year I introduced my palette private collection, and so many use it and love the palette, which I have a new one, and I have a new shipment that coming today, September 11th. But I set up this already in batch ready to sell. And let me show you, it's coming like this with protection, and I'm gonna show you a picture in this clip. But this is the palette private collection. But now this year I come in with my new palette collection, which is highlighting glow kit, and it's coming again with protection when I deliver to you, when I sell to you, and I'm taking out the bag, and it's like this, as you can see, beautiful. And it's just like Anastasia Beverly Hills, that the palette coming with this cover, and then it's coming with this also. And as you can see, like that is Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's just right there. I'm put it here in my cosmetic dresser. I am in my beauty room right now. So this is the Anastasia, right? I just want to give you a comparison. The big side of the round color. So now let's open my own, which is here. That is the cover, and it's beautiful. I love it. I am in love with this palette. It's coming this way, very sophisticated, silver around, and with the letters in black. And then when we open, ta-da! It's like that. Also has the protection. Plastic, of course. We don't want dust in our palettes. And I always keep it. So people I saw in YouTube videos, they threw it away. I don't. So it's this one. Let me see how we can have more light here. You can see it. And now I'm gonna do a swatch so you can appreciate the quality. And I'm gonna put it together with the Anastasia, I'm gonna put it together with the Anastasia Beverly Hills, so you can see both like so. Look how big. It's the same size. They are the same size. Colors are similar, so but mine, this one is kind of more white. This one is kind of more beige with gold. But other ones are similar. Mine, this one is a little bit darker, so it's good for contouring. And then this one is more gold, and this one is more rose gold. And this one is hair rose gold, but more lighter, and this one is more, I don't know, maybe peach. But I like mine variation because you can have this for any type of color skin. It's open to any color skin. While this one, this is more for white or light colors. And then they have another one for more tan and to dark colors. So mine is better, 100%, because this one person can use this for many shades. So that's it. So you buy to do your makeup for your clients, this is good because you can use this for any color skin of your clients. Now, hairs don't have mirror, and mine have mirror, as you can see it. Here is me. Now I'm gonna do these swatches in my skin so you can see how wonderful palettes are mine. I already testing, as you can see here, and I was surprised. I love it. Super intense the color. Alright, now let me do the swatches in my skin right here. Oops. So we can see. Let's do this. Let's start with this one. I'm gonna put it in my hands. One. Then the second finger. Let's put this here better. I just improvising this video. The third finger, so I have this already done. This one is next. The darker one that could be for contouring. And then the lighter. And this is pretty much many of my view. I have too many palettes. But okay, let's back. This is clean and this is it. Right there. You can see all of them are really shine. But I want to show you in my skin. Now, it is beautiful. Let me put some lights here. It's about 8 p.m. right now, so I don't have good light, but you can see how intense they are, how bright they are. So imagine putting this in your face, so brighter. So I will love to use it. So now I'm gonna be doing using, I have this brush, fan brush for highlighting, and this is supposed to be for brush, but I like to use this also for highlighting. So what I'm gonna do is testing. Let's try with these fans to see. Let's do this one, and I wanna see, as you can see here, oh, I can see right away. And then here. Now I'm gonna use the other brush to do my highlight in my nails. You can see I like it because it speaks more, and sometimes I am in a hurry. You can see it is very bright, and I can see the shining right here. And this is only one color. I still don't test in the other in my skin. Let's try this one, and I'm gonna do the swatch. Oh my god, look at that. In my, let's do like right here with my finger. Oh no. Oh my gosh, it's too much. Oh, can you see it? I don't know what I was thinking. I just wanted testing, and it's so strong. I love it. I just tried to show we can have some bright here, and was too much. Now let's testing the darker one. This one with this finger I use. Let's use the contouring brush. This one. Of course, we know it's bright. We usually don't want to have contouring bright. I have another palette for contouring, but still, I think I can use this one perfectly because It is not too bright. If we're going out at night, that is perfect to do contouring with this. Now, I also do contouring in here to make it more define my nails. I don't have bigger nails, but I want also to define, so I like to shade in here. And then of course around here. But yeah, this is my palette, and you can get this palette at $25, and the other one, the eyeshadow one, at $35. I have a special introductory price for $30 the eyeshadow, and for $20, I believe so, that's the price. It's not we put it down there, the price in this video, but I have a special. I try to reduce introductory price $10. If you buy now, before I posting everything in my website that is coming, I'm gonna be selling this product online, then you're gonna find the right price with 35, I believe 30. Oh, that's right, it's 30 that one, and then 35 the eyeshadow. But right now it's in a special $10 left each one if you buy now before I open the online store. So that's why you can text me, inbox me, and whatever. I have a PayPal account. You can pay through a PayPal, which I sent before to even Oklahoma, Florida, Panama. So you can do PayPal. Before I posting the new website and launching pretty soon for my online store. By that time I have to post in the right price, the full price, because I have also to pay taxes and the expense of having an online store increase. Plus we need to add in the shipping and handling wherever you are. So I'm gonna be pretty soon launching that online store, and then by that time I'm gonna be doing a different video for that. Just for now, I hope you like it. It's very intense. I am sorry this video is very informal, just informative, because I just get the palettes today, September 11, and I am so in love with my palettes. In the back it show you everything, all the information about the product, and of course highlighting Glow Key Rochelle Beauty, Dallas, Texas, sending to the world, and versus the Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is more expensive, Anastasia Beverly Hills, and don't even have mirror. Mine have mirror, so that is a good thing. Should sell more expensive, but it's okay. I am just introducing and launching my line. Later on, I get also today the liquid lipstick. This is a sample. You see that I don't have my brand yet. It's just a sample in the shade number 4. So I'm gonna be launching also liquid lipstick as well as lipstick, and I will try to increment little by little the whole full face, and a skincare line later on. The skincare line I will wait for now. I will talking about it later. For now I'm just focused in makeup, and let's try to open this as I can, so to show you and a swatch. This is the color. Let me test it on me. It's a liquid lipstick in kind of pink red. But of course I'm planning to have all the colors like nude, rose, red, more red, and violet, and who knows. But I'm gonna do this swatch now in my hand too. I like it my own lipstick since it's mine. It's okay. but you can see actually the real effects. It's very intense. It's very pigmented. And now I'm gonna do this swatch in my hands where I am holding my camera. I need to get the tripod, but right now I just was in a hurry. So right now you can see, oh, I don't know if you can see it. You see this swatch? I hope you like this video. Thumbs up and subscribe, and if you keep subscribing more people, please tell your friends and family to subscribe. I'm gonna be doing a haul by December 3rd, which is my birthday, but you have to keep you know, thumbs up, do comments, chat with me, and to make sure you are part of this contest. Whoever wins is gonna win one of my new palette, and I will talk to you about it later in a different video. So thank you for watching. Again, please subscribe and thumbs up. Bye.